Wow. This country, both India and Nepal, they are so rich in religion, culture, and tradition, guys. And there is one thing I saw so unique about Nepal that I have not even seen it in my country or in India, guys. I've never seen that. Like, it was in the transport, public transport, guys. It is a public transport where I saw ladies or women. They are like conductors, the bus conductor for the public transport, guys. So this is so unique. This is so unique and something different. I've never seen it in India, not even my country. And this is a proof also that Nepal is so safe and peaceful, guys. Because if women can be the bus, can be the public bus conductor, then it means the country is safe. It's good, guys. So far, I am just in the biggest market. This is the biggest market, guys. Asan Market, and you can see how clean is the market, guys. See everywhere. Just see how clean is the place. This is just a normal market, guys. Normal market, but the biggest market of Nepal, Kathmandu. But I just love it how they maintain the market. It's so clean. Like there is no that much random dirty body smell. No, it's not there, guys. So good, and the environment, the surrounding is so good, guys. Yeah, something nice. So this is what I can share and all what I experienced so far since I came Nepal. And if you are watching from India or Nepal, you can drop more, guys. You can drop more of the difference or the similarity that I didn't mention in this video. And yeah, we are just sharing for awareness. Yeah, for awareness, guys.